Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, your go-to destination for all things cutting-edge in the automotive world. If you're as passionate about the future of mobility as we are, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our updates on revolutionary vehicles and innovations reshaping our roads. Today, we're diving into a phenomenon that has captured the hearts of adventurers and luxury seekers alike, the 2025 BYD Motorhome. It's not just a motorhome, it's a symbol of how the automotive industry is evolving. BYD has taken the world by storm with this groundbreaking creation, and it's selling like hotcakes across Europe and North America. So, what makes this motorhome a runaway success? Buckle up as we explore everything from its design and features to its tech-packed interior and unmatched value. Let's start by setting the scene. Imagine cruising through scenic routes, from the alpine roads of Switzerland to the expansive highways of California, in a motorhome that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels. The 2025 BYD Motorhome is redefining travel with its eco-friendly design, smart features, and luxurious amenities. With road trips and outdoor living becoming increasingly popular, this motorhome arrives at the perfect time. One of the key reasons behind its success is BYD's reputation for innovation. Known for their electric vehicles and sustainable solutions, BYD has applied their expertise to the motorhome segment. The result? A vehicle that blends sustainability with style and practicality. At its core, the 2025 BYD Motorhome is an electric powerhouse, equipped with a state-of-the-art battery system that offers impressive range and efficiency. Forget the anxiety of frequent refueling stops. This motorhome lets you focus on the journey. But it's not just about being green. It's about redefining convenience. The motorhome's charging capabilities are top-notch, with options for fast charging and solar integration. This means you can extend your adventures without worrying about where to plug in. Plus, BYD's battery technology ensures consistent performance even in varying weather conditions, a crucial factor for travelers navigating diverse climates. Step inside, and you'll see why this motorhome is turning heads. The interior design is a masterpiece of modern luxury. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by premium materials, smart layouts, and cutting-edge technology. The living space is designed with comfort in mind, featuring plush seating, a spacious dining area, and plenty of natural light thanks to panoramic windows. Whether you're parked at a campsite or enjoying a roadside vista, the BYD Motorhome ensures you're always connected to the great outdoors. The kitchen is a standout feature, offering everything you need to prepare gourmet meals on the go. Equipped with energy-efficient appliances, ample storage, and a sleek design, it's a dream for culinary enthusiasts. Imagine whipping up your favorite dishes while taking in breathtaking views through the motorhome's large windows. And when it comes to relaxation, the bedroom rivals luxury hotel suites. Comfortable beds, ambient lighting, and smart climate control make it the perfect retreat after a day of exploration. Technology takes center stage in the 2025 BYD Motorhome. It's packed with smart features that make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Voice-activated controls, a fully integrated infotainment system, and advanced navigation tools are just the beginning. The motorhome also comes with BYD's proprietary app, allowing you to monitor battery levels, adjust settings, and even plan your trips with ease. Plus, safety is a top priority, with advanced driver assistance systems that ensure peace of mind on every journey. Now, let's talk about versatility. The 2025 BYD Motorhome is designed for everyone, from solo adventurers and couples to families and groups of friends. Multiple configurations are available, allowing you to choose the layout that best suits your needs. Need extra sleeping space? No problem. Looking for a dedicated workspace? BYD has you covered. This adaptability is a major selling point, especially in today's world where remote work and digital nomadism are on the rise. Another factor driving its popularity is its value. While the 2025 BYD Motorhome offers luxury and innovation, it does so at a competitive price point. Compared to traditional motorhomes in its class, it provides more features and lower operating costs thanks to its electric drivetrain. And let's not forget the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. It's an investment that pays off in more ways than one. The motorhome's success in Europe and North America is no coincidence. Both regions have seen a surge in interest in sustainable travel and outdoor living. In Europe, where environmental consciousness is a major focus, The BYD Motorhome aligns perfectly with consumer values. Meanwhile, in North America, the trend of embracing road trips and exploring national parks has created a booming market for RVs and motorhomes. BYD's offering strikes the perfect balance between eco-friendliness, performance, and luxury, making it a top choice for travelers on both continents. Let's also highlight BYD's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Their attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the motorhome, from its aerodynamic design to its durable materials. Customers rave about the smooth driving experience, quiet operation, and the sheer joy of owning a vehicle that's as good for the planet as it is for their lifestyle. And with a robust service network, BYD ensures that help is always within reach, no matter where your adventures take you. So, what does the future hold for the 2025 BYD Motorhome? As demand continues to soar, we can expect even more innovations and updates. BYD's ability to listen to customer feedback and adapt to market trends is one of their greatest strengths. Whether it's introducing new features, expanding availability, or enhancing performance, the future looks bright for this trailblazing motorhome. If you've been dreaming of a motorhome that combines sustainability, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 BYD Motorhome might just be your ultimate travel companion. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations. It exceeds them, proving that you don't have to compromise between comfort and eco-consciousness. With the 2025 BYD Motorhome, every journey becomes an adventure to remember. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite feature of the 2025 BYD Motorhome? Would you consider making it your next big purchase? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting vehicles of the year, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in to ByteBuzz Innovations. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the latest automotive trends and groundbreaking designs. Hit that notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. Until next time, stay innovative and keep exploring the future of mobility. See you on the road.